Alright guys, what I have here is the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. It's the model 1938. We're gonna go out and do some shooting with it, but first of all let's get into the details and the specs of the gun. The FPS on the gun is 350, and it's a pretty fast shooting gun when you compare it to the Daisy Model 105 buck rifle that only shoots at 275 feet per second. This gun weighs 2.2 pounds, so anyone can use it, even a child could use it. The overall length of the gun is 35.4 inches, so it's not too small for a child, it's not too big for a child, and it's not too small for an adult. It shoots .177 caliber BBs. The chamber holds 650 rounds. The sights are here. That's the front sight, that's the rear sight. That is an adjustable sight. It's powered by a spring piston lever action cocking system, and the effective range for target shooting before the BB is going to start to go off target and you're going to start missing is 10 yards or 30 feet. So anything past that, you're probably not going to hit your target accurately. Okay, so the safety is right over here. Just press that button. Both sides. It's off safe right now. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to load the gun. Press it down. Open it. The BB's right here. Alright, we got a few. Now that we got it open, just drop the BBs in there. Alright, now that it's loaded up, let's go outside and do some shooting. Alright guys, we got our Daisy Red Ryder BB gun over here. We're going for some accuracy shooting, so I got my target right there and we're going to do 10 shots on it. Alright guys, now we're going to do a power test. We're going to try and see how many cans we can pierce through with the Daisy Red Ryder. Okay, now we just did the power test, and it went through one side of the can, came out the other. It knocked down the can at the back for some reason, but it didn't pierce through any other cans. Okay, so now we're just going to try one more time to try and see if we can get through both cans. So it went in through this side, and the exit's right there. Still can go through the second can. Okay, so since we couldn't get through all 3 cans, we're gonna go and finish off the last one. Okay guys, so my last target's right there. We're going for an accuracy shot this time, so let's see if we can knock it down.